Hello, hi, good morning to all of you present over here. So this is Suraj Pawar. Come back. Again, there is, if you want to see my website, right? This website. So this is the Shopify website. So this Shopify website, if you want to preview the live website, so where we have to go on. So this is like online store. This is having preview button or options which is present. So if you have just click on this, so when you click on this, so just wait it for the 2-3 minutes. So yes, so this is like my website which is open. So like the, so this is also having WhatsApp chatted bot ads which is added. So like that. So hi there, welcome guys. So hello my GMs, ordering from this. How may I help you? So I just put it. So please introduction yourself. So I just sent it like this. Like I just want to having just helping like this.